Hi and welcome in this new video in which I'm going to show you how to make this bulldozer variation on the micro Sherman. Design of this one is made by Erwin. You can find his Instagram page under the name WW2 Bricks, I think. Never mind, I put a link in the description of this video, so check out his account. He is an absolute master in building with micro scale stuff. You really should check out his Instagram page, and he also has a YouTube channel. I will put the link to that one in my description of this video as well. Go check him out. He was so generously to donate this little variation to my channel. As you can see, it isn't a spectacular change to the basic design of a Sherman, but nevertheless pretty cool. In his own model, he made it with snorkels like this one, and this one is already a tutorial video on my YouTube channel, so I will put up the link over there so you can check out that video, how to adjust your M4 Sherman with snorkels for landing on beaches on D-Day. And well, while we are promoting stuff, let me do some more. I made this variation of an M4 Sherman as well. I call this one my Battle of the Bulge version, and as you can see, it has muddy tracks, and that muddy tracks is a pretty hard thing to come by when you want to build it with Lego. And yeah, to be honest, this isn't built with original Lego parts. This one is built with Go bricks that I bought from webrick.com. The same goes for this one. This one, for comparison, is actual Lego. So if you can see a significant difference, I can assure you it is not. Webrick is a pretty cool website that looks a lot like functions a lot like Bricklink, and you can upload parts list. You get when your order is sent to you, you get it by parts list that you requested. So if for instance, if I put the XML file for this one into Webricks, I upload it, I get a bag with only these parts and labeled that it is the name of the parts list that I gave it. So you have one build per bag. That's perfect, just perfect. So if you want to go try Webrick Go brick quality stuff, check out the link in the description, or if you want to make sure you know more, check out here for a review on Go bricks that I did in the past. One more advertising little thing. These M4 high-speed tractors, these are designed by myself with a how do you say it in English? Well, I did it together with Ryan from Grasshopper Squadron, who designed the biggest part of this long tom gun, which can be legs can be put together. It can be elevated and so like a real tom gun, but you can put the legs together, attach this one, and attach to the little high-speed tractor. And this one has an ammo trailer with him. So this is a complete set of two M4 high-speed tractors with a long tom, a 155 millimeter gun, and an ammo trailer to go together. And this entire set with custom printed two-sided elements in it. So you have two custom printed elements, and everything in it that you need are available as a kit, not on any website, just for me. I made kits of them. I sell them for 30 euros per kit. Comes with digital instructions, but with custom printed parts. And yeah, if you are interested, check out the description of this video. I will put in there the link to my email address, and please contact me by email so we can arrange that you will be able to get one of these sets if you are interested in buying one. 30 euros if you want to contact me by Instagram direct message, go to my Instagram account, also link in the description, and contact me over there, and we can arrange you to get one of the copies of these. It's very limited. I made 15 kits, and I will probably do never again this specific model again. Yeah, I don't know, it's just a one-time thing I wanted to try, and yeah, I still got some left. Sold several of them, and hope that the last ones will be sold. So if you are interested, come and check them out. So in a couple of seconds I will show you the parts list needed for this little tank, and then followed by the tutorial. You might want to pause at the part list so you can check out which parts you need. It will be numbered, so if you don't have all the parts, go on Bricklink. You can check my Bricklink store as well, link in the descriptions once again. But for now, let's start the parts list. I hope you enjoyed the build. If you really like it, please hit that like button. I really hope people would do that, because that will make my videos more pop out for others who didn't find me yet. Also, I would love you to welcome you as a subscriber, so please subscribe if you want to see more tutorial videos in the future. And if you leave a comment, that would be ultimate awesome, and I will try to react to all comments. Sometimes it takes some time, but I will try to do it all the time. So I hope you will comment, and I hope to see you in the next video. For now, check out the parts list and let's start building. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you will build it. And if you do, please post it on your Instagram account and tag me in it. Bricks Tutorials on Instagram account. If you tag me, I will reshare your perfect models. And yeah, I hope to see you soon in the next video. Thank you for watching this time. Bye bye.